Scientists in Australia have discovered what they're calling a magical nanomaterial, Gallium Arsenide. What is it with this video and arses? And this compound can actually change the wavelength of infrared light to convert it to visible light. So instead of needing a bulky infrared sensor, by just applying a simple coating of this onto normal glasses, which, because this is a nanomaterial, would be like 500 times thinner than a human hair, you'd no longer need those infrared sensors. By the time the infrared light has reached your eyes, it's already been converted to a form that they understand. 6 out of 10. And also on the note of eyesight, scientists are currently working on creating contact lenses which will give you a real-life superpower. Contacts which are in part just standard contacts that allow you to see through them normally. But then they also have a section that's telescopic that allows for a magnified view. And they're designing them such that at a moment's notice, if you wink with your right eye, then these contacts will be able to detect that wink and use it as a signal to then re-guide the light such that you'll switch from seeing things through the normal section to seeing things through the magnified section. It's one thing to be able to hit the 3x zoom button on your smartphone. Imagine being able to do that with your eyes. Okay, let's dial it back a notch for a minute. The invention that I'm about to show you might sound tame, maybe even funny, but I'm telling you, this could change the world. I'm talking about clothing made out of milk. My grass. Milo! The concept has come about from a German fashion designer who realized that milk contains casein proteins, that if you pour acid into milk you can obtain those proteins, and that by then spinning those proteins through what is effectively a massive cotton candy machine, you can turn them into fabric.